Hello there, and thank you very much for joining us today in this new Azure Portal how-to video. Today, we'll learn how to use the new improvements for image selection when creating virtual machines. And for that, we have DeCaro-Brown, who's going to show us how to do that. So thank you very much for joining us today, Devin.
Yeah, appreciate you for having me today, Leon. As you said, today we'll walk through the virtual machine image selection experience in Azure. We'll look at how to find your first image, how to browse the Azure Marketplace, and how to find your recently used images.
That is awesome. Let's go see it.
Let's do it. Within the virtual machine create, I have pre-filled some data so that we can focus on the image selection. You'll notice that Ubuntu Server 1804 LTS is selected by default initially. Clicking on the image dropdown, you'll see a list of marketplace images to get started. These are a set of our most popular images along with images we believe are great starting points. You can select one of these images and deploy your virtual machine right away. If you'd like to browse more images in the Azure Marketplace or see your private images, you can click on the See All Images link. Let's take a look at this experience. Here, you will find virtual machine images from the Marketplace where you can read more details about an image. These include Microsoft published image and third-party published images. Additionally, you can view your private images, including managed and shared images, under My Items in the upper left. Now, the image we are going to deploy today is within the image dropdown on the Basics tab, so we can close out of this experience to get big. And in the image dropdown, we will select the Red Hat image. In a separate tab, I have a VM deployment ready to go with the Red Hat image. Jumping over there, we will click Create to deploy this VM. And you can see here we have the Red Hat image. So we will deploy this virtual machine. Once you submit a deployment on the portal, we will add the image to your recently used images list for quicker deployments in the future. So the next time you come in to deploy a virtual machine or skill set, you can have any recently used. So let's go there again. So here in the virtual machine create, you'll see the Red Hat image is now the image selected for me by default. And clicking on this dropdown, you'll notice a new section called recently used. This section now has up to my 5 most recently used images, in this case just the Red Hat image. This list contains not only marketplace images, but also your private images that you or your organization may create.
Thank you very much, Devin. This was great. Thanks every one of you for watching. Please try it out and let us know what you think. Leave us a comment in the comment section, follow us on Twitter, and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you very much.